In this video, we'll build premium animated social buttons in Jetpack Compose Material 3 with smooth animations and modern interactions. Open Android Studio. Create state variables using Remember for each social button. Create a full screen layout with a gradient background. Add a Material 3 card as the main content container. Display the screen icon, title, and subtitle. Arrange the buttons using row and arrangement space evenly. Build a reusable social button composable. Animate button scale using Animate Float as state. Apply smooth spring and tween animations for premium effects. Animate the background color using Animate Color as state. Add a glowing shadow for selected buttons. Rotate, share, and save buttons with graphics layer. Change icons dynamically based on the button state. Pass all social action callbacks, like, comment, share, save, and copy as parameters. Update the label from copy to copied after clicking. Run the app and test every social button animation. Send tips. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss the Jetpack Compose UI tutorial.